Okay, so I've seen this comment before on other videos and on one of my other videos where I talked about 3i Atlas. And I really, if you want me to answer this question, I need you to tell me what are some of these anomalies, because I can't find anything that talks about how this is anomalous other than the fact that it is in a very hyperbolic orbit. It's a comet. It's very obviously a comet. So here's a couple of interesting things. I've got one in front of me here. I've got a research paper that talks about, is 3i Atlas alien technology? Which it isn't, but this talks about what if it was and what are some of the things that we could use to tell. And then I've got some images. I've got an image from an earlier observation of 3i Atlas that shows it's a comet that has an explanation for some of the weird things. So first off, let's talk about, it doesn't have 7 jets in multiple directions. It has 2 major sort of jets. All right, it has a cometary tail that has started to show up as it's gotten closer to the sun, and early on, and we still see it today, is we have a sun-facing side sort of jet of material that's kind of going out in the direction that it's facing the sun. So why would that be? So we can see a couple of different things. This is an image that was taken on the 2nd of August of this year. And what we have here, we have a couple of little diagrams here. This is this object in the middle here. That is 3i Atlas. And then we have a little yellow arrow and a blue arrow. The yellow arrow points to the direction of the comet facing away from the sun, and then the blue arrow points in the direction that the object is moving. And then we have this purple line here that kind of coincides with, if you see, we've got this little bright halo around the black object in the middle, and then we have sort of a break in that halo there on the sunward facing side. This is obviously a bit of material that is coming off of the comet, and usually you wouldn't expect it to be on the sunward facing side, but we have seen this in other comets before. This is usually a jet of like solid material, dust, rock, and stuff like that, that is being forced up off of the surface of the comet by the gases that are escaping as the comet is heating up and getting closer to the sun.